Okay, we have example 2, and we have Carlos. He's made a list of his income and expenses for 1 month. So we can see here he's got his income. He's got a semi-monthly paycheck, $539.92 every twice a month. And then here's his expenses. So he's got rent, food, entertainment, utilities, transportation, clothing, cell phone, and miscellaneous. And he wants to put any extra income into savings account. So how much money does he have to put into savings? Well, we're just going to total these two. So let's kind of add a row here at the bottom. So if we've got 539.92, he gets 539.92 2 times a month. So that's, where we go, 1,079.84. That's his total there. And then for his expenses, we're just going to add all these up. So he's got $445 for rent, he's got $195 for food, $79.85 for entertainment, $45.15 on utilities, $75 on his transportation. His clothing, he spent $72.95. His cell phone bill was $47.95. And he just had some other random expenses that were $25. And he spent $985.90. So we want to know how much money does he have to put into savings? Well, he took in this much, he spent this much, so how much is left over? It's just $1,079.84 minus $985.90, and throw that into our calculator, and we get $93.94. So he can put $93.94 into savings. How much does he save over the course of a year? Well, assuming that his expenses stay relatively similar, he's going to have $93.94 to save for each month. So he's got $93.94 times 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So he'll have $1,127.28. So he can save $1,127.28. And what percentage of his income do Carlos's savings represent? Well, he saves this much, try that again, this much a month, $93.94, and he gets this much in. So percentage of his income is his savings. So that means we're just taking his savings, dividing it by the income, and of course for percent, multiplying it by 100. So his savings are $93.94 per month. His income is $1,079.84 per month. And then we're going to multiply that by 100 because we want to make it a percent. So $93.94 divided by 1,079.84 equals, and times 100. Let's say we'll go 8.7. So, sorry, they represent 8.7% of his savings. You could say 9%, would be fine as well. Okay, and then D. Carlos hopes to buy a new computer in 1 year. He expects it will cost $1,500. How much more will he need to save per month to be able to afford it? Suggest one way he could do that. So he expects it's going to cost $1,500. He's going to save only this much money. So $1,500 minus what he would save there. 1,500 minus what he has in savings if he keeps that up, and he's short $372.72 in 1 year. We want to know how much more would he need to save per month. So this is per year because he saved up for a year. So per month, we have to divide it by 12. So 372.72 divided by 12 gives me $31.80. $31.06. So he needs to save an extra $31.06 a month. Okay, remember he's already saving almost $100, not quite, $93.94. He would need an extra $31.06. What's one way he could do this? Well, let's look at his budget. Rent isn't going to change likely. Food, well, he needs to eat. Entertainment, so I'm thinking maybe he doesn't need to spend $80 a month on entertainment, right? Maybe he feels he does. His utilities, so these are things that can't really change. Transportation, maybe he could save some money there. Perhaps he could ride a bike instead. Maybe he can walk depending on how he's getting places. So he might be able to save some money there. Clothing, does he need to spend $72.95 a month on clothing? Maybe not. Cell phone bill, well, that's probably not going to get much less than that for cell phone bill. He could save a little bit there. And then he's got these miscellaneous expenses. I would probably focus on entertainment, maybe clothing, maybe transportation. Again, we're just going to suggest one way he could do this. He could spend less on entertainment. So he's got a goal. He wants a new computer. So for 1 year, he's going to, go out a little less maybe. Maybe he's going to just spend less when he's out. But he's going to save that extra $31.06 a month. So that would be, suggest one way he could do this. That would be one way he could do it.